Practice your English. I say red, you say blue. Hi, can I help you?
Blue.
I had a boy about the same age as me turn to me and say, "Ooh, what happened to your face?" And I looked him dead in the eye and I said, "Giggity, giggity, giggity."
Shut up! Out on your shins. Shut up! And the side of your head. Shut up!
So the company wanted to keep Frank employed so they could take from his paycheck, is that right?
Well, that's not how I put it.
How would you put it, Benji? Please, take your time.
Tony.
Tomorrow, you are going to wake up and sleep again.
Hey Jacob, hey, what are you doing next week? Is that it?
Me pega mi mamá. Mi chinela. Mi chinela. Me va a dar pocos pasos. Huh? Nani? Huh?
Guys, I'm going to get a haircut. I'm so excited. I'm gonna look so good. Alright, I'm ready to go.
What's with the hat?
I always wear this hat.
No, Evan, you don't. Just take it off.
Okay.
Hey, I'm fine. Quinchana, ding, 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 ding.
Bang, ini es berapaan?
Es 5.000.
Gorengan?
Gorengan 5.000 3.
Gorengan 5.000, ini satu ya?
Oke.
So I've got my trusty stopwatch, and here they come down the hill. It looks like Ruben is in the lead, and here comes Alex.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Stop saying I look like the dude from Maze Runner. I do not look like him.
Alright, we got first, second, third, fourth. This one only has 5 gears. You got your clutch, brake, accelerator. Here's the key. You ready?
Eric, sayang cintaku. Aku sangat mencintaimu, Eric. Aku sangat mencintaimu. I love you, Eric. I love you. Love you, sayang cintaku, Eric. I love you. Piu, sayang cintaku, Eric.
Go ahead. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Help, police! 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 You won't get away!
I'm leaving.
This'll get him. Isaac! Yeah? Come here.
Alright. Hey, look at this minion car. It's a minion car. Banana. It's a yellow car!
Josh, drink.
Oh,
Like a burrito or like a taco to look Mexican? Like what do Mexicans look like?
อะไรคือข้อเสนอของภูมิใจไทยนะครับบอกว่าถ้าเกิดไม่เป็นเรื่อง112เลยเป็นโอกาสที่เขาเคยให้มาแล้วครับอันนี้นี่ผมเดินขึ้นมาเห็นโค้ดของไทยรัฐว่าข้อเสนอ
Oh shit! Here comes this.
I use this cam. How can I show it?
Estoy a más de 8,000 metros de altura. Han pasado 6 días desde que la última grabación es del otro lado de la montaña. Pero valió la pena. Tuve ganas de regresar. Pero pensar que tal vez soy el primer hombre en llegar aquí me mantuvo de pie. Esto lo hago por mi país, por mi gente. Mi amor, chiquitita. Tú sabes que ha sido el motor para seguir adelante.